Good morning, everyone. My name is Sandra Staub, and I'm a freelance artist based in Zurich. You might have seen my tutorials with Vectornator, but today I thought we can try something completely different. I want to show you what a day in my life looks like. I love to begin my day with a relaxing yoga session. I enjoy starting my morning slowly and mindfully. It helps me stay productive and focused for the rest of the day. If you know me, yoga is an ongoing theme in my creative work, and it has become a big part of my life as well. Then I make myself a yummy cup of coffee and I prepare to go out. I usually pack my iPad, where I have my to-dos for the day, and a notebook. And I'm ready to hit the studio, which is only a few minutes bike ride away. I do all my creative work in a lovely studio I share with another artist. On my way there, I bike through this beautiful natural scenery right next to Zurich's biggest river. Sometimes I prepare my work from home, depending on my mood. But especially if I work with Vectornator, like this day, I can prepare my color palettes and sketches in advance, and I can just pick up where I left off, no matter what I work on. So, welcome to my studio. This is where I work. This is where I do most of my work during the day. You see, I have a computer, I have a regular desk. I work mostly sitting down and drawing. Today I have some client work that I have to do. I have some art prints that I'm going to get ready to ship, and I also prepare some mock-ups for the websites that I'm selling those prints on. So it is quite a busy day, and welcome to tag along. Here I'm working for an amazing client who commissioned me to design a breast check postcard. I absolutely love projects like these. Art is meaningful in itself, but promoting such an important topic brings an extra layer of joy to the work that I do. Ultimately, diversifying my mediums and the way I create content really helped me get more exposure as well. I'm also creating murals, for example. Oh, and recently, this is funny, I was creating a video for my merch series with Vectornator, and in the process of creating a custom wrapping paper, I got in touch with a printing company, who in turn became interested in my designs, and now I'm working with them too. So you just never know where the next opportunity pops up. Try as many ways possible to put yourself out there. Time for some print cutting. I first cut with this nifty machine I have in the studio, but then I finesse them manually with a Stanley knife because I feel it gives me more control. And it's not a Sandra Staub print without this beautiful dry seal. Branding is super important. I'm done with my design work for today, and I take the train to get to a local brewery where I manage their taproom once a week. Beer is one of my passions, and this side gig allows me to balance my interests. I'm not just about design, and I love the fact that my work allows me to embrace all my sides. So here's to that. This means it's time to end my vlog. Thank you so much for following me around. If you want more content like this, please let us know in the comments. And make sure you subscribe so you won't miss my next tutorial. Bye bye!